Hello, welcome to my tutorial on Python. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Python dictionaries. So we'll be talking about what are dictionaries and why we need them, how to create a dictionary, and few of the dictionary methods like how to access an element, updating a dictionary, deleting a dictionary, deleting an item in a dictionary, and dict.keys and dict.values. So first, why do we need a dictionary? To understand that, we need to understand more on lists. So let's create a list with the person's name, age, and salary. So now, if you want to know the person's name, you need to remember the position where it's being stored. In our case, it's being stored in position 0. Similarly, if you want to get the person's salary, you need to remember the position where it's being stored. So here it's EF2, and that will give the person's salary. So in order to resolve these issues where we need to remember the position of each and every element in a list, we have dictionaries. Dictionaries by definitions are unordered set of key value pairs. So let me tell you how to create a sample dictionary, then I'll try to contrast the same thing what we stored in a list. Okay, so how do we create a dictionary? You use a pair of braces. So in this case, we are creating a dictionary with a pair of braces. So this will create an empty dictionary. Now, in order to contrast with the list, let's create the dictionary with a key value pair. I'm going to give a key name, then I'm going to give the value Bob. I used a comma here to separate the next item in the dictionary. Now I'm going to store the person's age using a key called age. Then I'm going to use a key called salary to store the value, which is a person's salary. So now we have created a dictionary with 3 keys: name, age, and salary, and values Bob 20, with values Bob 20 and 5000. So now if you want to get or access an element in a dictionary, you just give the dictionary name, then you give a pair of square brackets, and within that you give the key. If you want to get the name, you give the key value, key name. Now you got Bob. Similarly, if you want to get the person's age, you give age. So now with the dictionaries, what happened is we need not remember the position. In fact, you can just remember the key values, right? So name is more a meaningful key for the value Bob than remembering the position 0. So that's what we use. That's why we use dictionary. And one more thing about dictionary is it's unordered. When you created the dictionary, see that we populated the name, first age, and a salary, and when we are trying to print the same dictionary here, the order is not being retained, it became unordered. So that's why dictionaries are called unordered, whereas the lists are called ordered. So now we have seen how to create a sample dictionary. We were able to access an element in a dictionary. Let's see how to update a element in a dictionary. Now, if you want to update the person's name from Bob to Bob Thomas, you can just give a equal to sign, then give the new name. This will update the person's name. So now when you try to print the dictionary, you can see that the Bob has been changed to Bob Thomas. Similarly, if you want to delete a item in the dictionary, you can just give the dictionary name, then pair of square brackets, you can give the key item. So assume that if you want to delete the name from the dictionary, you can just give del. If you notice, the name is being deleted from the dictionary. Similarly, you have two more methods like dot keys and dot values. So dict dot keys will give you all the key values of the dictionary, and dict dot values will give you all the values of that dictionary. You see that the keys salary and age are being displayed for keys, and for values you see the actual value, which is 5020 are being displayed. So that's it about dictionary. Thank you for watching my video. You can watch my other tutorials on Python. Thank you.